Hey there, innovators. Ever wondered how to sprinkle a bit of magic on your AI images and turn them into exciting animated videos? Well, today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI animation. In this video, I'll be spilling the beans on some fantastic AI apps that can transform your original still images into dynamic short videos, perfect to add inside your long-form videos for your own faceless YouTube channel. These tools are very user-friendly, a lot of them are free, and yes, I've used them all myself. We're kicking things off inside Canva, where I've whipped up this stunning underwater scene using my favorite AI image generator. Just look at those amazing sun rays dancing through the water. It's pretty, right? But what if we could make this image even more amazing? Grab you something to drink and get comfy, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to take your original pictures and enhance them, making them truly stand out to make your video projects even better. Let's get started. Today, we'll be talking about 6 cool AI image to video animation tools. Now I'm inside Canva. Here you see my test image for the rest of this video. It's an underwater scene that I made using another AI image generator. You can see the water and the sun's rays coming through the plants below. Overall, I think it's a very pretty image. Now, I'm going to show you some different options you have available when making animated videos that you may not be aware of. For example, if you want to take your images and actually animate them, now you can. There are a lot of options out there to help you do that, and they are getting better all the time. And a lot of them are even free. Today, I want to demonstrate a few of these apps for you. If you're making short videos, now you have more options than just using static images. I'm not saying that you have to do this, but if you want to make your videos even more interesting and raise your videos to an even higher level, by adding a few of these methods to your repertoire, your videos will definitely stand out. Because, believe me, not everyone is doing this. The first one I want to introduce you to is called Immersity AI. You might have heard of it in the past by its old name, liapix.com. This one is very unique. You can see how it has a kind of gently rocking motion going on. They used to have only about 4 movement options to choose from, but they had a pretty major update several weeks ago and changed their name too, so now they have even more options to choose from. And the 3D effect here is stunning. You can choose to have your image move in several different kinds of patterns. Here, I'll quickly demonstrate each one for you. But basically, the actual animation itself is just this rocking back and forth kind of motion. For some things, it does a really good job, and it's a very interesting effect. So it's something that you can possibly use to your benefit. I use these sometimes in my own YouTube videos. Now, on to the next one. Remember, we're using the same image, okay? So, let's talk about the second option. This is Genmo.ai. You can change all of these settings pretty much. You can control the amount of motion they have, and there's a lot of other things you have control over. You can imagine you see the water lightly moving up here. There are fish. You can see the plants here moving just very lightly in the waves. You can see the sun as it kind of filters its way through. So really, really cool. And what amazes me is just to think that all of this is happening from a single image and my short prompt. So quite amazing. Just imagine what all this will be in another 6 months. I can't even imagine. So, this is Genmo. It is a really, really interesting program, and it has a lot of capabilities that you could possibly use in some of your own videos. Okay, now there is another one I would like to share with you. This one's a little different than some of the others. It's called Kaiber. Now, Kaiber is very different than a lot of the other AI apps out there. I like that it is pretty user-friendly, making it easy for users of all skill levels to create videos. There are also many customization options for more advanced video creations, so you can tweak and adjust various aspects of a video. This includes settings like animation styles, effects, transitions, and a lot more. Kaiber does some really incredible things and is a great app to make mini videos for your bigger project. Just imagine, all of this came from a still image. This is RunwayML, and trust me, it's a game changer. This app is packed with about every kind of AI tool you could imagine. Plus, it has a lot of pre-trained models. They also offer over 30 different styles. And if you're looking for even more options, you can even train your own custom style generator here, if you want to. Plus, it's incredibly user-friendly for non-pros. Even if you're just dipping your toes into the AI pool, you'll feel right at home here. But don't let that fool you. It's got all the depth and complexity to keep even the most seasoned pros happy. To wrap it up, RunwayML isn't just keeping up with the latest trends in AI. It's setting them. It's your all-in-one, endlessly inspiring, and always reliable partner in the world of creativity. And definitely a great place to come and experiment. Ready to dive into the fascinating world of Pika? Pika transforms your images into dynamic, engaging videos with an artistic flair that feels almost human. Plus, Pika's user interface is a dream come true. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, you'll find it super intuitive and easy to navigate. From choosing animation styles to adjusting the pacing and mood, Pika puts you in the director's chair. In a nutshell, Pika is like that secret ingredient that takes your creative projects from good to extraordinary. It's not just about making images move, it's about transforming them into captivating visual stories. So, if you're looking for a tool that's fun, easy to use, and incredibly powerful, Pika is your new best friend in the world of AI animation. Now, let me introduce you to Pixverse. Let's talk about customization. Pixverse offers an impressive amount of options that let you tailor every aspect of your video. From choosing specific animation styles to fine-tuning the speed and flow, you have full creative control. User experience? Pixverse nails it. The platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned pros. No steep learning curves here, just a smooth, enjoyable journey from start to finish. Plus, the speed Pixverse generates videos is impressive. You'll be turning out stunning videos in no time without compromising on quality. Basically, Pixverse is more than just an image-to-video AI generator. It's a creative AI tool that enhances your visuals and delivers professional quality results with ease. So, if you're ready to elevate your storytelling game and create videos that truly stand out, Pixverse is the tool you've been waiting for. While I've been demonstrating each of these apps, I've put together a short clip of demos made using the same image each time from each different tool. This way, you can see an example, firsthand, of how each app transforms a still image into a dynamic video. Each of these AI tools has its own unique flair, and I can't wait for you to see the different results they produced. Let's watch it now. Many of the apps I'm showing you here have free plans, so try a few of them and see what you can make. Also, remember in this tutorial that these videos are not upscaled, and they're all probably going to have some sort of a watermark on the video. So keep all that in mind. Why not take your own static image and try some of these AI apps yourself? You'll be amazed at what they can come up with for you. I mean, you've seen it yourself in this video alone. All of these apps are really good options to add into your arsenal of tools when you're creating your own videos. There's lots more out there. I've not used them all, but these were the ones that I have used and wanted to introduce to you first. So now it's time for you to get out there, experiment on your own, and have some fun using these image-to-video generators with your own AI images.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and share it with your friends too. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.